Welcome everybody to my third episode of Miami Mondays. I am here in the fabulous Calle Ocho in Little Havana to show you guys two different historical landmarks, with the first one being the Tower Theater. Opened in December of 1926, this was the finest state-of-the-art theater in all of South Florida. In this theater is where a lot of Cuban immigrants received their first taste of American culture. And soon after, the theater began to display American movies with Spanish subtitles. The only theater to be doing that. The theater was closed from 1984 until 2002 when Miami-Dade College took over it under the auspices of Miami Film Festival. Now let's cross the street and visit our next monument. Playing dominoes is a favorite Cuban pastime, and before the park was built, Cubans would bring their own domino tables and play here. Now Domino Park has 11 domino tables and 5 tables for chess. But not just anybody can play here. If you want to play in Domino Park, you have to be over the age of 50. Send in an application to the city of Miami. They conduct a background check, and then you receive a membership card where you can then rent out dominoes. Inside the park, there is a mural depicting the summit of the Americas. The first one was held in Miami, and the mural shows all of the heads of state, including President Clinton.